In this video, I literally got unreleased skins in Fortnite. This video is absolutely crazy, guys, so you guys want to watch till the end to see what happened. Alright, let me join this guy's party real quick and show him my skin. Yo, hello?
Skin. How do you have that? You can't even win it in the tournament yet. Bro, that's so cool.
Yes, sir. Wait, hold
No
on.
way.
Hold on. Let me put
Is
something
that from
else.
Street Fighters?
Yes.
Yo, put on Chun-Li.
I have actually another skin from the Street Fighters that isn't released yet.
No way. No way. Wait, actually?
Yeah, hold on.
Yo! Is that Chun-Li?
Nah, this is Sakura.
Sakura.
I think I have some more as well.
Yo, dude, that's so cool. Wait, was that the Hulk?
Uh,
Because I didn't know they made a Hulk skin, dude.
I know it does look like the Hulk, but we have this skin as well.
Yo, that's a Save the World skin. I was
then
gonna buy it, but I decided not to.
On top of that,
no way, you want FNCS?
But as you can see, guys, people are literally spam inviting me, and this does work. So, but let's get back into the video. But as you guys can see, guys, we are wearing unreleased skins, and we literally have the FNCS pickaxe here in Fortnite, as you guys can see. And we can also join our friends, as you can see. I can request to join. But yeah, our contra is literally the Raptor skin, and we literally have every unreleased skin here in Fortnite, as you guys can see. But as you guys can see, we are in a party with somebody with an unreleased skin. But anyway, we also do have more unreleased skins. If you guys do search up Chapter 3, Season 2, as you guys can see, we have more unreleased skins. As we do have the, whatever the skin is. As we do have the Mecha Pop. I don't know if all these skins are released, but this may not be released. But this is a pretty cool skin in my opinion. We also do the Poet skin, which I'm pretty sure was released a couple of days ago. The Mary Jane Watson, which looks like a Spider-Man female version of Spider-Man. And yeah, guys, we also do the Sakura skin here in Fortnite. So, as you guys can see, these are all unreleased skins. And if you guys want to do this for yourself, if this video gets 250 likes and we get 1,000 people using my supporter creator code, I will be doing this tutorial on how to do this right away. All you guys want to do is put in the code FCYT. All you guys want to do is put in the code FCYT, and make sure you guys have that in every single 2 weeks. And once we get 1,000 supporters just in 1 month, I will be doing a tutorial on how to get unreleased skins here in Fortnite. But without further ado, guys, that's basically gonna be the end of today's video. I hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you guys want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. But anyway, guys, it's been your boy Radius. Peace.